All right, girl, what's your name and what are we doing today?
Hey, my name is Mona. I'm all the way from Birmingham. I'm super excited and I can't wait to discover, fly high.
Yeah, we're gonna go skydiving today, huh?
Awesome. I can't wait.
Good. We're gonna be going in that airplane 14,000 feet and falling straight back down. How's that make you feel?
So 18,000. I changed to 18,000.
18,000. Okay, even better.
Yeah.
Even better. You nervous?
I'm nervous yet excited.
Get excited. All right. Well, next time I see you, we'll be on that airplane.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, girl, how was that?
Awesome, man.
Awesome.
I think I'll do it one more time.
You think you're gonna do it again?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you here next time at Chattanooga
Awesome.
Skydiving Company.
Awesome.